This is section 4.1, example 3, part 3. We're continuing with the price of eggs and milk data set. And in part 3, we're asked, in a month where the price of eggs is above average, would you expect the price of milk to be above average or below average? Explain. So when we get to this, we've already calculated the correlation coefficient. And our answer will depend on whether that number is positive or negative. So the second part of this is actually what you should answer first. It says since R is, and this drop down will give you choices of positive or negative. So enter positive or negative depending on what you got for the correlation coefficient in part 2. For this one, I got a positive correlation coefficient, so I would select positive here. If you select positive, and because your R value is positive, then if your X is above average, then your Y would also be above average. So then you would say, in this case, since eggs are above average, you'd say you expect milk to be also above average. The only time those would not match is if your R value is negative. If your R value for this problem turns out to be negative and they're asking you about price of eggs being above average, you'd say you expect milk to be below average. So if it's positive, then whatever your X value is, your Y value is the same. If it's negative, whatever your X value is, your Y value is the opposite.